Assalamualaikum students, good morning everyone. Welcome to class 8th physics. Myself Samreen. I am from United Public School Tandur. Students, we was completed one chapter force and now second chapter friction. So let's see what is friction. Already chapter force we also have learned about the force of friction, which plays an important role in our daily life. And students, the direction of the friction is always opposite to the direction of motion relative to the surface. So let's start the second chapter, friction. We have learned about the various topic of force in the chapter force. We also have learned about the force of friction, which plays an important role in daily life. Let us learn in detail about these force in this chapter. Okay, students, already I told you friction, the direction of friction is always opposite to the direction of motion relative to the surface. So let's see force of friction. What is force of friction and its type? How many types of friction force? So let's see. Force of friction and its type. Activity 1. Identifying forces acting on a body and effects of frictional force. So students gently push a book on the horizontal floor as shown in figure 1. Students, you have pushed the book horizontally floor as shown in figure. What do you observe? You may observe that the book acquires certain speed in the direction of push. Students, obviously we know that when we push the any object, it change its position in the direction of push. And however the speed of book gradually decreases after some time, it stops. It means when we push the object gradually, after some time it is a stop. See figure 2, the book acquires speed. After some time, when we push the book, it moves direction of push, and after some time it is stop. So students, you know that the book is in non-uniform motion with respect to the floor. In the 4th chapter, we studied the non-uniform motion of a body takes place only when a net force acts on it. And students, how many forces act on the book when it is pushed on the floor? So let us examine the forces acting on the book. 2 forces act on the book in the vertical direction as shown in figure. See figure 3, forces acting on the book. So there are 2 forces acting on the book. There are weight of the book, W, or gravitational force acting vertically down. W is a gravitational force acting vertically down, and normal force N, capital N, is a normal force, reaction force applied by the floor vertically up. Normal force is a applied by the force vertically up. And as there is a no change in motion of book along the vertical direction, the net force acting on the book in the vertical direction is 0. In the horizontal direction, the speed of the book is changing continuously. The book has acceleration opposite to the direction of motion. And students, when the speed of the body moving in a straight line changes continuously, we say that the body has acquired an acceleration. By close observation of this activity, we can understand that the floor applied a force on the book against its motion. Similarly, the book also applied the same amount of force on the floor in the opposite direction. And here it is clear that the floor is at rest. Hence, the net force acts in the direction of the force applied by the floor of the book. Means the net force acts in the direction of the force applied by the floor on the book. The force applied by the floor of the book is called frictional force or friction. What is friction, students? Yes, the force applied by the floor on the object is called frictional force or friction. I hope you are all understood today's topic. Now time for assignment, today homework. So first question is explain the types of fraction with suitable example. And second, a book placed on the surface of a table, the book is pushed in one direction. Draw the force acting on the book and explain. So you have write these two question and answer. Do this assignment. Thank you.